I'm at Captain D's. You know how long it's been since I've had Captain D's? Years.
I had finger food for them this morning. I had it. And then I went back out on Friday and got the stuff that puts me in fruit pie. Because you don't have fruit, you can't keep it too long.
Okay, so it has been years since I have been to Captain D's. And one of the first things I noticed is their fish is elongated. Here's another thing I noticed. The tartar sauce. It actually looks like it has stuff in it. It's not just white like you would find at Long John Silver's, LJ's. I already finished the fries and the hush puppies and the coleslaw, which that coleslaw is amazing. And I did happen to find malt vinegar, which is like my favorite thing at LJ's. So let's try this. I'm going to set this in here. Let's try this fish.
Yeah, I know you get one a year, but I hadn't got mine all out. Yours is and you got two
Good. I'm gonna rate this fish better than LJ's. I'm sorry. I'm a big fan of LJ's, but this is really good. I don't know if it's just this one here in Norton, Virginia, or if it's every one of them are the same, but that is really good. And this tartar sauce is really good too. No. This is good, and it makes me feel as though the fish is more real than LJ's, but oh well. This is really good. Yes, I'm double dipping because I'm the only one eating. Don't make fun of me. It's very good. Very good. That was good. That was very good. It's been years since I've had Captain D's. At least, I'm trying to think, maybe back in 2007 was the last time I had Captain D's, and that was in Kingsport. So yeah, this is the one in Norton, Virginia. So, yep, this was good. And another thing I liked about it is they were not stingy with the crunchies that they put under the fish. They gave me a bed of crunchies, and I like that. Long John Silver's, LJ's, has gotten very stingy with the crunchies. Sad to say, but yeah. So yeah, I do. I liked this. This was good. It was awesome. Captain D's.